and this one right here already. And then that's what I'm putting it right in here. And I'm go ahead and using another one. Should I do this one though? You think?
You have a white one similar?
I have this one in here or this. You can do the black one for this.
Yes, you can.
Like this one right here. You can do however you want. I'm gonna put it right there. This is gonna be really quick. Bam, 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 few minutes. And all right, so I'm gonna do all the sticker first. So now I have the matte top coat on the top before I put the sticker on, or you can do the top coat, shiny top coat, no wipe. Or if you are doing it right on the top of the gel polish, make sure you remove the residue first so sticky layer will not slip your sticker away. And then on this one it's cool, I think. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put one of this up here. Right there. Like right here. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
And you can put some crystal on it. I'm gonna put some crystal on it, okay? But we're gonna just doing all 3 nails with the sticker. So these are 1 stickers. I'm gonna do the other ones in this. And this is both come in the sub box, the February sub box. Last call for you to get this box. So I'm gonna get this one. Little like love jars.
Now it looks like a chocolate drink.
Ah, it looks cute, huh? I didn't even think of it, and now you mention it. Okay. And then it's filled with love. And then you can get these colors. And then we can put right on the side or here, either way. What should I do? On the left or the right?
Or maybe on the top?
I want to put some crystal on it. Maybe right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Looks so cool though. It just by itself like this. Even you doing like this for the clients, and then you can able to do like 1 nail is $5 or 2 nails is $8. However you want to pricing it, but we're gonna do some crystal on it. So here is the look. So now if you don't want any crystal, you can go ahead and top coat both 3 of them and clear each of them for 60 seconds, and then you are good to go. But we're gonna do some crystal designs using the crystal trifecta, and I'm using the mix bag from sub box, so then I can add some crystal on this. Okay.